Welcome back to our channel. Today, we invite you to join us as we explore one of the largest municipal parks in the United States. One of Phoenix's point of pride, we embark on an adventure to South Mountain Park, just minutes away from downtown. Known for its expansive desert landscapes and stunning vistas, South Mountain Park offers a remarkable escape into nature within the heart of the city. So, let's hit the road and explore the wonders that await us at South Mountain Park. Tucked away for the past 80 years, in the foothills of South Mountain is Ponderosa Stables. The stables board approximately 88 horses in the winter and around 25 during the summer. Open year-round, the stables offer a variety of guided trail rides for riders of all levels, including beginners. The stables offer different specialty rides, such as the Sunset Ride, the T-Bone Steakhouse Ride, and the Petroglyph Ride. Adjacent to the stables, we find Scorpion Gulch. Built in 1936 by William Lunsford, the structures served as a home and a store. Lunsford personally hauled the rock and built the structures where he and his wife lived and operated the business through 1966. The store, originally named South Mountain Trading Post, sold jewelry, Indian curios, and leather goods. In the 1970s it became a bar. Today, the structures are popular with local photographers. Past the park's old entrance, we find the park's first permanent structures. Built by the Civilian Conservation Corps from 1933 to 1940, the stone structures included a museum, administrative offices, a caretaker's house, and the old entrance kiosk. Just past Ramada 10, we find the remnants of an old Civilian Conservation Corps camp. On the ground we see a star-shaped base made out of stone, which held the camp's flagpole. The four pillars supported message boards that displayed the workers' task. The smaller pillar was a drinking fountain. Over 9 years, the men of the CCC constructed over 40 miles of trail, 18 buildings, 15 ramadas, 134 fire pits, 30 water faucets, and numerous other features within South Mountain Park. We pass the Valley of the Sun, quarter midget racing for kids. Quarter midget racing is a form of automobile racing made for kids between the ages of 5 and 16. The cars are 1/4 the size of a full midget car. Tracks are typically banked ovals 1/20th of a mile long, and have surfaces of dirt, concrete, or asphalt. The park is currently undergoing a major improvement project. New park signage and guard station have already been completed and installed, as well as public restroom improvement. More ramadas are to be built throughout the park, along with improvements to the park's parking lots. As a result, there are some road closures throughout the park. We begin the ascent to the top of South Mountain on the Summit Road. The Summit Road is a 5.5-mile scenic route extending from the main park entrance to Dobbins Lookout, a popular scenic overlook. The overlook provides panoramic views of the city and the surrounding desert landscape. South Mountain Park preserves, in a natural state, a mountainous area of 16,283 acres or approximately 25.5 square miles of native desert vegetation. Originally called Phoenix Mountain Park, it was formed in 1924 when President Calvin Coolidge sold its initial 13,000 acres to the city of Phoenix for $17,000. The land encompassing South Mountain Park has been inhabited by various Native American tribes for thousands of years. The Hohokam people, known for their advanced irrigation systems, settled in the area around 1,500 years ago. They left behind evidence of their presence, including petroglyphs and remnants of their agricultural infrastructure. In the late 19th century, European American settlers began to arrive in the Phoenix area. A prominent figure in the region's history, Jack Swilling, recognized the agricultural potential of the Salt River Valley and established the Swilling Irrigation Canal in the 1860s, which brought water to the area around South Mountain. Over the years, South Mountain Park continued to expand through land acquisitions and donations. The city of Phoenix acquired additional parcels, gradually increasing the park's size to its present extent of around 16,000 acres. As the park expanded, recreational opportunities grew. Hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding became popular activities within the park, attracting locals and visitors alike. The development of trails and facilities further enhanced the recreational experience for park visitors. One such trail is Telegraph Pass. Starting at the Desert Foothills trailhead, the trail follows a wide, paved path through typical Sonoran desert flora. The trail then climbs progressively steeper grades on a mostly smooth, albeit occasionally cobbled tread. Finally, the trail ends into the Telegraph Pass trailhead at a junction with the National Trail. The park provides an extensive network of trails that cater to hikers and outdoor enthusiasts of all skill levels. There are over 51 miles of trails, ranging from easy strolls to challenging hikes. Some popular trails include the Hidden Valley Trail, Mormon Loop Trail, and the Summit Trail, which leads to the top of South Mountain and offers breathtaking views of the city. South Mountain Park is a haven for mountain bikers, offering a variety of trails specifically designated for biking. These trails vary in difficulty, providing options for both beginners and experienced riders. Biking enthusiasts can explore the park's diverse terrain while enjoying the thrill of off-road cycling. Dobbins Lookout, at 2,330 feet, is the highest point in the park that is available to the public. Accessed by both hiking trails and Summit Road, the lookout is popular with tourists and locals who want to get an unobstructed panoramic view of the valley. The lookout was named after James C. Dobbins, the chairman of the Phoenix Planning Commission who spearheaded the efforts to purchase the land. From here you can clearly see downtown Phoenix and surrounding cities. The ASU campus, Piestewa Peak, Camelback Mountain and Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, whose traffic control tower was the highest west of the Mississippi at the time of construction. We leave the Dobbins Lookout and drive towards the Buena Vista Lookout. The Buena Vista looks out to the East Valley. From here, you can access the Hidden Valley Trail. This trail will take you to Fatman's Pass and the Hidden Valley Natural Tunnel. The Gila Valley Lookout, which is the third lookout you can drive to, offers a stunning panoramic view over Ahwatukee and leads you all the way to the TV towers. Unfortunately, at the time of this video this section of the road was closed. South Mountain Park's varied topography, ranging from Sonoran desert valleys to rugged mountain slopes, supports a wide array of plant and animal species. Most notably, it's known for its chuckwalla population. With an average of 65 chuckwallas per hectare, South Mountain has the highest density of chuckwallas that has ever been reported. Further, male chuckwallas at South Mountain exhibit a carrot-tail phenotype, which is unique to this population. Mammals such as coyotes, javelinas, bobcats, and desert cottontail rabbits can be found here. Rattlesnakes, including the western diamondback rattlesnake, are also present but generally avoid human activity. Birdwatchers can spot various species, including hawks, owls, quail, woodpeckers, and hummingbirds. Overall, South Mountain Park is a unique and beautiful destination that offers visitors a chance to explore the natural beauty and rich history of the Phoenix area. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to having you join us again on our channel.